This video, I will include the learning objective for Chapter 11. I chose to identify the 6 general performance characteristics seen when motor control learning is occurring, and I will go further in detail for each characteristic. To help us understand this, let's first define learning in the context. Learning is a change seen in an individual as a result of their capability to perform a skill, and is directly influenced by practice and their experiences. Now, the 6 characteristics include 1. Improvement, 2. Consistency, 3. Stability, 4. Persistence, 5. Adaptability, and 6. Reduction in attention demand. First, improvement is seen when there is a change over time in regards to a person's ability to perform a skill. This can be illustrated by the performance curves, of which there are 4 types. Secondly, consistency is how often are results the same over many trials of performance skill. If the results are the same, then the performer is said to have learned at least something along the way, right? Third, stability is when there is a lasting effect, with learning that there is a time period where the learning is at its best form. Fourth, persistence is when an individual is challenged by the obstacles of the skill but is able to overcome the obstacles. Fifth, adaptability is seen when an individual is able to perform the skill regardless of the context or environment he or she is placed in. In this context, the performer adjusts their prior knowledge to fit the environment and thus be successful in performing the skill. Lastly, reduction in attention demand occurs when, due to an individual being so invested in the skill that he or she masters the skill with practice, and over time, the skill no longer needs their full attention in order to be executed. With all of this in mind, a great example would be seen when a novice individual is pitching a ball in baseball. All these 6 characteristics are seen, but improvement in particular is a big one as it demonstrates if the person is truly understanding and retaining the information correctly.